Problems like always. It's broken. How is this thing supposed to get out? Oh no. Hello everyone and welcome to this video in which I'm going to refurbish these two Nokia 6260. I'm doing them both because apparently in the bag with body shell parts they're not complete. I'm missing the keyboards on one of them, so I'll have to take from this one. Also this middle part is missing from one, so I'm going to have to take it from this one because this one is in better shape than this one. So yeah, problems like always. Let's begin. This is how you take the memory card out. That's one. That's two. The incredible memory of 32 megabytes. Now the next one. Okay, here's the cable. And here's the cable for the camera. And that's that for the main board. This is the camera module. Let's not keeping this. Okay, this is one of the caps. Yeah, this kind of sucks. Well, I can clearly see the problem now, and I don't think this is fixable because look at this hinge. It's broken. So this isn't exactly fixable. Yeah, this sucks. We'll just have to leave this behind until I find a proper hinge for it. Other than that, the phone is working fine. So I'm going to put it in a bag, and not in a bad way. Time I get to the good one. Bit of a disappointment for me, but here we have the camera, the main board. Yeah, apparently this gray one was kept in better condition. Also, I'm keeping this keyboard because it's in good condition. I'm going to put it here with this phone because I'm keeping it for him. There we go. Also this part. Well, this one is in good condition. Good. It has a magnet in this thing, so yeah. Here's a good question. How is this thing supposed to get out? Oh no. No, you did not just snap. Oh my god. I freaking snapped the button. Dang it! What the heck is this freaking shell's problem? I'm so angry I don't even care anymore. Of course it was a trick. And how am I supposed to see these screws, eh? Did I have to push these buttons out? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Is this how you're supposed to take this thing out? Seriously? So annoyed. I'm so furious right now. There's the problem with the hinge mechanism itself. Not to mention the fact that I don't know if I can take the cable from it by the way it's assembled. Man, this is one of the worst nights of my life. And since I already destroyed this cable, I'm going to try and figure out a way to disassemble it from the body shell so I don't destroy it on the other one. I have to combine the hinge from this one with the cable from the other one. And this was sticked here, of course. And here's the connector. Oh, it just sticked. And the loudspeaker and the whole cable. Yeah. I'm gonna have to keep this part as well. Oh, it's sticked here. Okay. By the looks of it, I'm guessing this is how you take this thing out. Should melt this and take it out. Well, would you look at this? Oh, and this was keeping this inside. I didn't have to snap that one. That just flew over the room. I got it. I think I know how this gets out. I just have to push it, right? Well, would you look at that? Huh. And it's out. Okay, let me see if I can take this thing out of it. Hopefully I can. Man, I hope I can. So, oh, so many cables here. All right. How the frick? Oh, I just have to pull this out. Oh, wait, okay, I think it's savable. 1, 2.5. Okay, thank God, it's savable. I can still save a phone. Okay, I'm starting to calm down. Calm. Now I have to be careful, actually very extremely careful with this button. Easy, I need the cable from this one. The hinge may be broken, but I need the cable. Please survive on this one, please. I'm begging you. No, no, don't snap. No, 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 no. Oh, thank God. Oh my God. This is how you're supposed to disassemble this phone. So take the keyboard out first. And here are the two hidden screws. God damn it, only if I knew this. Well, you win some, you lose some. Either way, one hinge wasn't usable. Look how easy this assembles now, right? Dang it. How can I not be mad? Actually, this is from here. How can I not be mad at myself? Now you know not to make the same mistake as I did. So annoying. Careful. Extra careful, I don't get another chance. Oh. There's always something here that has to... Please be alright. Please be alright. Thank God. Oh. Let's not make a mistake with this button. Okay, easy. Okay, half of the broken hinge is out. Now I can just do this. Oh, okay. Luckily, this is a simple hinge. It's not complicated like the one in the N90 or the N93. Yeah. I'm taking a break, then I'm going to clean these parts because right now my heart is at 1000 beats per minute. Be right back. Bye.